What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, jasmycoin. We're going to give you the latest update of what's going on and why everyone is still sleeping on jasmycoin. There are some huge partnerships, some development once again from the team, and they're taking over Hong Kong. All of that in this video. So if you are in the Jasmy army, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Keep up to date with the latest and greatest in crypto, as well as the rest of the DeFi markets. And let's dive straight into this video. So I wanted to start a little bit by talking about just some of the numbers when it comes to Jasmy. Currently down 4.5%. Now, we do know we had a pretty big rise, over 30% over the course of the last couple of weeks, but trading at the 6554, still two zeros in front of there, but you can see their volume at 78 million, which is also down 50%. Now, the interesting point here is $78.6 million running through a centralized exchange. That shows you exactly where Jasmy sits and absolutely the pecking order in terms of how you trade this. Dead quick, you can see some of the exchanges are on Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase. All of the top tier exchanges are trading jasmycoin, as well as whether it be with USDT, USDC, BUSD, BNB, tons of pairings as well. So you know that the volume sits there with some of these big exchanges. But what is going on with Jasmy? What is the latest and greatest with this coin right now? And ultimately, we've seen the team out in Hong Kong. Now, for those that don't know, we know China is using Hong Kong as a stepping stone to start to ramp up its crypto adoption once again. And whenever we generally see market sentiment move upwards, or we see the beginnings of a bull market, we know countries like China and Russia like to get back involved. They like to open up mining once again, and equally allow access to their kind of crypto portfolios, but it's very controlled. And again, they're using Hong Kong to really start to do that. Now, Jasmy, once again, though, over there at the Web3 Pop in Hong Kong, you can see there one of the main co-hosts is Haram there from the Jasmy team. You can see there the logo owning there. So some pretty big news going out into Hong Kong. You see there speaking, as well as a number of other projects and big projects that were out there. So super excited to see Jasmy absolutely out there. And again, the fact these team have come out, the fact these have, you know, docs, still people kind of think it's done, it's a scam, whatever. But actually this team are out there, they're grinding, they're working hard in terms of what they're bringing. We talked a little bit about the roadmap that they've got coming out for 2023. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down in the description so you can check it out. But Jasmy absolutely building out right now. But they have other utility that are coming as well. And this is a really interesting article. Again, do your own research if you are looking to do this. But the ability to borrow against your Jasmy coin so you don't have to sell it could be something that might be right for you. So CoinRabbit talking here about what you can do, which is a revolutionary way to work, play, and live by using a digital footprint, a digital blueprint crafted by coders. What is it talking about? Well, collecting data and using it to generate profits is the advent of blockchain technology, and Jasmy upholds data democracy by providing users ownership with their data. Its tokens powers the virtual economy and opens up fresh possibilities. So a way of managing and structuring your data, so it isn't just a free-for-all, which is what we see right now out there. But you can use Jasmy, like you said, come on CoinRabbit, to lend against it if you wanted to either free up some of your capital, but hold on to jasmycoin. Now, it doesn't stop there. We see another listing on CoinHub Wallet now supporting Jasmy. So not only are we seeing a number of these exchanges, they're absolutely supporting Jasmy, we're also seeing a ton of wallets, non-custodial, or any other wallet that really want to support the Jasmy ecosystem and are continuing to do so. And finally, I did want to talk about Zippy. Zippy's deep dive on Mr. Alex Chung. Now, Zippy is a researcher, definitely in the Jasmy community, so definitely go and check him out, give him a follow over there. But he talks about Alex Chung. Now, Alex Chung was a CEO, and it's this guy in the middle here, 20 years experience in technology, IT, mobile, and consumers. And this is the bit that I can't really get my head around, why people are still calling this you know, that it's done and that it's a scam or whatever, when you've got people like Alex Chung as well as a number of the rest of the team as part of this chain. Now, what are they talking about? Well, Alex is the CEO and co-founder of a new brand, Avita, and the Avita Technologies has partnered with jasmycoin, and it's in 30 different countries, from places like Qatar, Bahrain, the UK, Ireland, Thailand, Vietnam, Taiwan, Singapore, just to mention a few. There's a development business model and partnered up with Vio Corporation, which is a subsidiary of of Sony, as well as Japanese brand and OEM business in a global market. We also see Avita Technologies, the IT and fintech company that formed a joint venture with Jasmy. We talked about that, as well as a fintech service provider under the trend of Web3, blockchain technology, and crypto application. He's currently the president of HK Information Technology Federation, focused on bringing value to the industry by heading IT-related businesses. And Chung is also a fellow member FCIM of the Chartered Institute of Marketing and Chartered Marketeers. So these guys know what they're talking about. And finally, he's a general committee of the Hong Kong Exporters Association, facilitating Hong Kong as a smart innovation center in the world. So some pretty big accolades that sit with the CEO, Mr. Alex Chung of Jasmy. Now, taking a quick look at the price, you can see we're on a bullish trend. Even on the daily, as we have 2 green candles here for the last couple of days, we still are on a good bullish trend. We see the 9-day EMA is just starting to level out along with the 20, but these key levels of support that we broke through on this run up, we'll see where we settle down. We will probably want to see some consolidation sideways right now, and then a push back up to me towards the kind of 8, maybe even heading on up to that 1 cent mark. But could be a very interesting over the course of the next couple of weeks as they continue to build out, as the team from Jasmy continue to put themselves out there and really start to let the world know about Jasmy. Data protection is going to be a huge thing. As in the world where everyone knows everything about everyone, then jasmycoin could be really well placed to be that storage of data, to be the one that absolutely holds on to your data and holds on to it securely, privately, and for access when you so need it. But jasmycoin, again, always look into projects by yourself, but certainly one I would recommend taking a look at right now. Feels cheap, still at 206, tons of room to grow, topped out all-time high at $5. Since then, the team have been working super hard, so it could be a very interesting play in the bull market. But let me know in the comments down below, do you hold Jasmy? And if you do, what is it about Jasmy that you really do like? And as ever, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Leave a like on this video if you want to see more Jasmy content. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye-bye.